again, Margot. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gonna make a homemade pizza using milk bread. So, here's the ingredients. Of course, the milk bread, the pineapple chunk, 3 eggs, cooked spam, cheese, and of course the ketchup. Let's get right into the video. We need 3 slices of bread. Then we need to cut it into cubes. Next, let's crack the egg and whisk it. Then mix the egg to the bread. Put a little bit of oil in the pan and put the mixture in the pan. Then put some ketchup and spread it. And put some cheese. Then spread the spam. Then the pineapple chunks. Then Mommy's gonna open the stove very low fire. Then we're gonna wait for 5 minutes or until the cheese will melt. Our homemade pizza is done! So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.